What's going on, everybody, and welcome back to another video. We're in December now. Christmas is just around the corner. Happy holidays to everybody, by the way. If you're struggling to get somebody in your life that has a 3rd gen Tacoma some gifts, I have 7 gift ideas. Most of these you could probably get for the 1st gen and 2nd gen. Do your research though, but for the purpose of this video, I'm talking about 3rd gen, which is 2016 to 2022. So the first one that I think is the best, you should definitely get this gift to somebody or maybe yourself, is gonna be back over here, and it is these lights right here. These you could find on Amazon. I'll link these ones specifically in the description down below. They're about $29. These are really bright and they have came in clutch so many times. All right, so second item on my list is going to be for the key fob itself. It's this right here. You could get these through 2 different companies, Meso Customs and AJT Designs. This one, I don't think you can tell, maybe. This is an AJT Designs key fob. Meso Customs is very, very similar. Meso Customs calls theirs a minimalist key fob, but yeah, you could customize them. I'm not too sure with Meso Customs, but with AJT Designs, you could pick what color hardware or just these screws, what color screws you want, and then the color buttons come in red or black. I should have gotten a red panic one, but that's fine. And then the body, the main body of it, you could get to match your truck. Obviously I went with a all white, black and red theme, all white truck, black and red lettering. That's where I got my idea. But yeah, you guys could fully customize however you want. Great gift. These are also like $30, I think. The next one, now that I mentioned Meso Customs and AJT Designs, the next one on my list is, once again, just for aesthetic looks, is this push to start button. Obviously this will only be for push to start trucks, because like SR5s, I believe, are just with a key. So if your truck is a push to start, it's this red button right here. Really easy to install, and like I said, it's all for aesthetic purposes. The blue LED inside does illuminate through, so at night when it's dark, the TRD start and stop is illuminated blue from factory LED. Just something about pushing a red button to start your vehicle is really cool to me. It's really dope. I wanted that. I saw that Meso Customs dropped them first, so I went ahead and bought one, and it came with instructions to pull out the old one and to reinsert this one. AJT Designs now offers it too, so I'll go ahead and link those down below. The 4th item on my list of gift ideas is going to be right up here. This is a Molle panel for your visor. As you can tell, it just has 2 elastic bands to hold it into place. It does not interfere with this mirror and lights, so that is great. But up here I just keep a pocket knife, multi-tool, chapstick, a pen, Sharpie, this little clip right here, because you just never know when you might need that. But yeah, you can put whatever you want up here. It comes with these plastic pouches right here, and that's pretty much it. It's great. The 5th one is gonna be right in here, and that will be these pouches. All right, that is my way of organizing my center console right here. So from factory, this has no organization whatsoever inside. It's just a big pit. If you don't have anything to organize it, it will be a mess, a clutter. I decided to go with pouches. I got 3 pouches, one for myself, one for my girlfriend, and one is a medical kit. Anything of mine, I'll put in my pouch, If my girl wants to keep anything in here, she can put it in her pouch, and then when she needs it, she can just pull out her pouch. I'll put mine out, or in case there's an emergency on the road or wherever we're at and someone unfortunately needs medical attention, I do have a medical kit. So let me show you the pouches. So links will be in the description, like I keep mentioning, but this medical pouch I bought separate, right? Just pops right out. This is the pouch. Came with the little patch. Came in, you can get it in different colors, all black, tan, OD green, and orange, I believe. I decided to go red just in case I need to send somebody to get this. I could just say, get the medical pouch or my first aid kit from the center console. It's gonna be red. They'll know to grab this. It does come empty though. You can find some that already come stocked up with first aid accessories. This is catered to my lifestyle. You can obviously put whatever you need in this pouch. So these pouches right here came in as a bundle pack. These were only like $13. This one was like $15, I believe, for just the pouch, not any medical kit, accessories, whatever. But yeah, in here I have a few things already, as you can tell. Mine's kind of chunky. My girlfriend, she hasn't used hers at all, which is fine, but both that came in the bundle have two straps up here, or two tabs to hook it on to a backpack or something. Comes with these straps right here where you could run a belt, so you could have it on you if you're hiking somewhere and you want, or you need a pouch. Also in the front has some Molle panel type little section right here. These are the pouches. $13 for two, $15 I believe for my first aid kit, and they honestly fit perfect. So that goes there. This medical kit will go right in here, and then this one will just slide right there. Close that up. Boom. Let's go now outside of the vehicle. Take my key, make sure I don't lock myself out. Oh. So the sixth one that I think is a great, everyone should do this gift idea is these Emblem Covers. These, in my opinion, change the look of your truck completely. Your truck can be completely stock like mine is, and a simple mod like that or little add-on can just completely change the look. And all it is just 3M tape inside of this plastic overlay. Really simple to install. You can't mess that up because it guides itself in, and it's just perfect. Last but not least, coming up to the front, you already know I had to go with these Grille Lights. At first it was kind of hard, and it was only a couple sites that carried them, but now you can find these on Amazon for pretty cheap. You get different options. You could go with these amber ones. You could go with a smoked out amber, smoked out white, or a clear lens with white LEDs. Really easy to install. Once again, I'll put a little tab up here or a little card to a video that I made showing you guys how to install these and how I connected them. So as soon as I turn on my truck, these will go on. I won't have to switch my lights or anything, or play with the light switch. Sorry that I'm just jingling these around, but yeah, I'll put that card up here. These you could find for like $30 maybe on Amazon. Check the link in the description. Anyways, that's it, guys. Those are the 7 gift ideas that, in my opinion, I think are great gift ideas. I'll check the link in the description, and I'll also add a couple sites that you may look that sell different products for Tacomas, running for tacos, Tacoma Lifestyle, Tacoma Beast, just to name a few. If I find other ones, I'll go ahead and link them down as well. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you guys had a great holiday. Sorry that I haven't posted in a while. For all those that have been subscribing, thank you. I truly appreciate it, and can't wait to start making a lot more videos. More videos to come. Stay tuned. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that like button if you want. That's fine if you don't. But for now, I'm out. Remember, guys, live life.